Beehiiv Newsletter tutorial, how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with creating newsletters and email marketing on Beehiiv. Beehiiv is considered the future of your audience because newsletters and email marketing are still one of the most popular ways to keep customers engaged. So with Beehiiv, you have some amazing features that can help you in creating amazing emails, publishing them, creating campaigns, and growing your mailing list. So let's get started with Beehiiv. To get started, simply head on over to beehiiv.com and then click on Start Trial. Once you click on Start Trial, you will be led to their plans. We're going to proceed with their free plan over here. So we can proceed with the free plan. However, you can get a 30-day free trial for their scale and max plans as well. I'm going to proceed with the free plan over here, and we're going to proceed and click on Create Account, and we're going to click on Get Started with Beehiiv. And from here, you can enter your first name and your last name, and then your email and password. Or if you want, you can scroll down and actually sign in with Google as well. This is up to your personal preference on how you want to sign up on Beehiiv. And I'm just going to proceed with a Google sign up because it's really quick and easy for me. After that, you have your phone number verification. So I'm just going to proceed that. So now I have completed my verification, and this is what your Beehiiv dashboard is going to look like. So in your Beehiiv dashboard, on the left, you will have your Workspace dashboard. Then you will have different tabs, and you can expand these by clicking on over here. Now below that, you have your Writing tab, Posts, Audience, Grow, Monetize, Design, and Analyze. Now on the top right, you will have your account settings, and you can click on Personal Info to edit any of your personal info as well. So if I want, I can proceed with this and change my name, your social links, all of that can be added over here as well. And when you add everything over here, it makes it easy for you to integrate it into multiple emails. Now, let's get started with building our newsletter. To get started with this, first off, we need to have an audience because when we are sending out newsletters, we need to have the audience that we're sending them to. So click on Audience and then click on Subscribers. Once you click on Subscribers, click on Import Subscribers to import your pre-existing subscribers. Now, you can choose to import subscribers, or you can even manually add them if you don't have your subscriber data like so. So if you want, you can go on ahead, click on New Subscriber Import, and import your CSV file, or you can copy and paste your email address list as well. So whoever it is, I can add them like this, like so. I'm just going to add the email addresses manually, and then you can choose whether or not you want to send them welcome emails, add to automations, or apply subscriber tags. I'm going to leave it directly to just import. Now, once we have imported our content, we can go back into our post section, and we're going to click on the two options of start writing. You can either start writing with a draft or a template, or you can get started from scratch. Now, when you click on start writing and you're writing from a blank draft, it looks really difficult to start. So if you use a template, it's going to be really easy, and you can click on new template and you can build one simple template, and then you can later on refurbish this accordingly to different newsletters. So this is going to be my monthly newsletter. Now I can start writing the content. You will see you have the option to type in a /, and once you do that, you have different types of formattings that you can apply within your text. Now, I am just going to copy this, and I'm going to customize this a little. So I'm just going to copy in some of my basic content. And within that, I'm going to first leave this name section like this. Now, if I type in a / over here, or click on this plus icon, we can see we have content breaks, subscriber breaks, sections, we have headings, as well as embedding. We even have premium features, which include AI writers and AI images that we can generate as well. Now, I might want to just add a code block. We can even add that over here as well. This just depends on however you're writing your content. Now, I'm just going to customize the information in this. So, like this. Now, if I want to include an image, all I have to do is I'm just going to type in a space and then click on the plus icon, click on image, click on upload an image, and we can upload our brand content into our Beehiiv elements as well. And once we have a basic template created, we can click on save on the bottom right or the top right. Now you will have your post template saved. Now, this is considered a post, and you can click on use this template to begin with sending out your actual newsletter. So you're going to click on use this template, and you can further customize this. So you can add a thumbnail, you can add content tags, and from the top right, you can actually add backlinks, comments, as well as view its version history. Once you're satisfied, click on next and then choose your audience. So all of your free subscribers, I'm going to add them. And then we can convert this. So basically this post is going to be functioning as our email. So this is going to be our January newsletter like this. And December newsletter. And then after that, I can type in a preview text. This text is the text that appears in a person's inbox when they haven't opened up an email. So this is usually really important to get a customer enticed into viewing your email. So I'm going to add something like get a exclusive first look and 10% discount coupon in this month's newsletter, like this. Then we can enable our header button. So if you want to include your socials and if you want to include likes or comments, then you have advanced settings. Once completed, click on next and you will see your web post settings. So this is a web post at the same time, and you can have comments as well. Now, if you scroll down, you will actually see your audio newsletter as well as SEO settings that you can customize and post visibility. And when you're building newsletters, if you don't want to include them on the web version, then you can hide the post from your feed like so the visibility is reduced. Then click on review and you will have a review section. Once you're satisfied, just click on schedule and you can move forward with scheduling your email. You can even click on publish now to publish your email as it is. And just like that, your post is live or your newsletter is live, and you can grow your audience and monetize your content like so. So if I actually go into my mailbox, I would be able to see the email that I have received from myself or from Beehiiv. And you have to make sure that it's not marked in spam, because if it is, you might want to change some of the delivery methods. And I would recommend whenever you're looking to send out newsletters to get a professional email, because that increases your chances of being seen. Now, the best part about Beehiiv is that it is available for free with up to 2,500 subscribers. This includes your custom website, newsletter, and analytics with up to 3 publications. Then the scale version is currently at $27.20 per month, where it is upwards of to 1,000 subscribers. And then if you move up, so as your subscribers increase, the pricing is going to increase as well. This gives you access to their ad network, boost network, paid subscriptions, and much more. And their max plan is at $68.80 per month with removal of Beehiiv branding, teams, and upwards of 10 publications and audio newsletters as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if there's anything else that you would like to know. And I will catch you guys in the next video.